12 cancer-causing foods that you shouldn't eat. According to research, it has proved that cancer can invent from your daily eating habits. Perhaps the foods are common for you, but you don't know about this food are the cause of cancer. By your eating habits, it will affect your immune system. Then it will create some bad properties in your body slowly. It will be cancer. So this is the perfect time for you to leave those foods and make a chart for your daily life so that cancer cannot touch you. So let's see. Number 1. Canned goods. Canned goods are common for us, but do you know that it is the one of the reasons for cancer? It is terrible news for you if you are fond of canned goods. Many canned goods have bisphenol A or BPA for short. People who are exposed to bisphenol A can create the risk of brain cancer. Most of the cans are made by BPA. You should be aware of it. You should check the labels of your can and you should read the ingredients list. It can be a water bottle, cold drinks, baby's useful products, so be aware of it now. 2. Hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenated oils have many risks for cancer. It is unhealthy for everyone but difficult to understand. Your body uses fats in the repair of cellular membranes, so the dietary fat that people can consume will be shaped cellular membranes. The oil is unnatural and can also change your shape of cellular membranes. It can grow healthy cells in your body, which is the cause of cancer, so don't think more, just avoid it. 3. Microwavable popcorn. Maybe you have to eat microwavable popcorn with your movies at home, but do you know it can be harmful to you? This food contains highly carcinogenic. This is one of the reasons for making cancer cells in your body. If you want to live safely and don't want cancer, so you should avoid microwave popcorn. 4. Alcohol. Although alcohol is terrible for health, you can drink only 1 glass wine per day because it is not safe for your health. People who drink alcohol more and more have the risk of cancer. They are increasing their abnormal cells, which can be cancer one day. Alcoholic has many types of harmful elements, so you shouldn't drink it by crossing your limit. Number 5. Soda. Soda is one of the harmful products. It is not good for your body. The reason is a soda can be loaded with refined sugar, which is enough for making this problem. Sodas add no nutrition to the body. They contribute to all of the bad chemicals in your body, which will be increasing day by day and making cancer probably one day. Number 6. Artificial sweeteners. Do you think that you will be able to avoid all problems associated with soda by switching to diet soda? So you are wrong. These are extremely dangerous for carcinogenic. If you are a fan of soda, you have to leave it for your life safety. So don't be frustrated, try to avoid it. Number 7. Farmed fish. It is also a cause of cancer. Farm fish is not too much healthier. Farmer will do it in a way that can involve toxic chemicals, endangering human consumers. It should make a limit of eating farm fish. Number 8. Refined sugar. People usually use sugar, but you have to maintain it because eating sugar without limit can feed cancer cells. Diabetics medication you can use to fight cancer cells because it should illustrate the danger of refined sugars in the fighting against cancer. Number 9. Red meat. You can eat red meat sometimes, but continuously daily eating meat is a danger for you. It can make a huge problem. Factory farmed red meat, which is particularly bad, our body couldn't control it. As a result, cancer can be invented in our bodies. You can die by disease only because of eating meat daily. So you have to avoid eating meat daily at any cost. Number 10. Refined flour. The process by which refined flour is produced can create new carcinogens in the first place. The fact that refined sugars can more or less feed tumors and cancer cells, only making things worse. Number 11. Pickled and salted foods. It is a robust correlation between the development of stomach cancer and also gastrointestinal cancers. These foods can damage your body's DNA or RNA. So be careful about pickled and salted foods. One mistake can destroy your life. Number 12. Potato chips. Potato chips can be a cause of cancer because of preservatives. The high salt of potato chips is strongly related to any type of cancer. It can invent stomach cancer. The element which makes chips crispy or produces the carcinogen acrylamide, which is an element of the cigarette. So it is not a good option for your health. So guys, no more today. I hope you liked our video. This video can help you with your protected health. If you enjoy our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website. We were given the link to the description box. Now, tell us your opinion. Which thing do you like most from our video? And do you know about any food which can be the cause of cancer? So tell us in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video.